This one looks very lekker.
I do think we need to irrigate a little bit. Yeah, because of the high heat, I see that the strawberries are actually quite far from the bush.
And we
Next
have
is our,
Loganberry. It didn't produce any this year, but it will. But it shot some flowers, I think. And yeah,
yeah, this is our loganberry. And Lucian actually stepped on it. We tried to make some kind of trellis cage for it. But yeah, either the dogs played or the storms blew it over. And I do have to weed here a bit. But yeah, like Lucian said, it didn't produce this year, but it did grow out quite a lot and send out a lot of vines. I see it's running all the way to the peach tree.
So if I did here, it is our golden delicious apples. I don't know if they are ready yet. It's the first time I've heard about these apples, but well, it is producing, as you can see, and it's taller than me.
It was a little tiny apple tree last year, and this year it did put up a couple of inches, not as much as that um, plum tree, though. Plum trees actually put up quite a couple of feet in growth. But no, this one produces quite well. You should put your hand next to it so we can see how big the apples are. So apples are quite a decent size. We don't know if it is ripe yet, but they seem quite close. Okay, and that is the golden delicious apples. And Lucian, you actually know it. It's what grocery stores also normally sell.
Die
Okay,
groen appels wat jy altyd eet.
geel,
Ag, geel appels.
Snap jy het?
Ook hier ons twee pineapples.
turmeric.
So in this garden, we'll see